Welcome to Hanoi. Welcome to the missing shark building here on the lake. We're gonna take a stroll now, right after New Year, and it looks almost like back to normal here. So the busy touristy area is pretty much okay-ish. Lots of places have opened, to be honest, but not all. As you can see here, those are all closed, for example. But some restaurants, some coffee shops, some good places are open. Okay, let's go here. Is this a hotel? Yes, that's crazy. De La Soy Hotel. Look at this small hotel. Probably only 4 or 8 hotel rooms. That looks pretty new. I have not seen this before. Or maybe I'm blind. Pate banh mi stand here. It's a prime location. You have to be careful here. Look at this. This is where you're gonna roll your ankle. Okay. So be careful, guys. Those little things will ruin your trip. When you look around like this and then you miss these things here. All right, let's walk. Ankle health semi in duty here. Oh. I tripped so often because I walk so much, you know. Like I walk every day 10K for now 37 years or something. I'm not sure how old I am. How old am I? How old am I?
36.
Okay, I'm 36 years old, yes. Another coffee shop here. We stayed in a hotel here in the street one time. They have lots of places where you can buy tours and buy bags. Especially if you did not pack correctly, because it's cold in the north. You can also buy some jackets here. So don't worry about that. If you only packed shorts and flip-flops, you can get everything here as well. The only thing is pretty tough is shoes in bigger size if you want to have specific pairs. Like I cannot get these types of Asics here. So I'm very happy that I have so great people around me, or from Australia this time, who bring me always my shoes. This shoes brought from David. Thank you so much, David. And another pair is brought from Christian. So, and another one is from Jermaine. So all my shoes are imported from my viewers, my friends, and the most important people here. That's why I can only do these walking tours. But I have to say, I had issues with my ankle, like a weird swelling and everything like that, because I walked with the wrong shoes. And since I wear Asics, it's all good. I think Asics is one of the best shoes for me, at least. And it's not an ad, sadly. I would like it be an ad. So Asics, if you see this, let me know. Send me some shoes. What are they? This is also a very stressful neighborhood here. You have to be mentally prepared for this, else you're gonna have the worst time of your life here. You need to be mentally prepared. It's gonna be uncomfortable. It's gonna be stressful at some point. You cannot walk on the pavement all the time. But yeah, then you can have a good trip. Have it in mind and always watch your step. if you take photos around, because there's so many pretty things to photograph, that I think for photographers, Hanoi is the #1 city in Vietnam, I think, because it's just photoristic. Is this even a word? Photoristic. But yeah, I also saw a lot of photographers with big cameras here, because there's so many nice spots to photograph. It's crazy. This is the #1 photograph place ever here in Vietnam. Let's walk here and then to the left. Or where do you want to walk?
No.
Huh? You want to go to the... Look at how many motorbikes. It looks like normal again. On the weekend, they close down the streets here. That's pretty nice. So you can have a run around the lake. But yeah, it feels like now everyone is out again. Do you think locals use the pagoda in the sea and the lake?
Yeah.
Still? Okay.
Especially for Hanoi Day.
Ah.
That's why it's so packed.
Okay.
Look at the bridge.
Yeah. Lots of people here around. It looks normal, but if we go south to our hotel, it's empty. Everything is calm and empty.
I'm gonna go to that side.
Yeah. Crossing here? I can't wait to be back in Da Nang. I like it calm and nice there. My streets. Walking around my neighborhood. On the beach. I'm just not a big city guy.
I am a big city girl, but I feel
Overwhelmed?
overstimulated already.
Yeah. My wife got weak from her hippie life in Da Nang. I think you will get weak at some point. If you live too long in Da Nang, you need to go out and experience a little bit more stress. Da Nang makes you ultra weak because it's just too chill, this whole place. So you need to go to intense cities. What I always do, I always go to intense cities. At least, I don't know, 6 months of the year I'm away in intense cities. I think next time I want to go to Singapore. I want to see how Singapore is. I really like also Hong Kong. Hong Kong is also a great mix. Da Nang and Hong Kong is a great mix. Hong Kong city, hustle and wealth. And then you have Da Nang hippies and surfing and things like that. And very chill beach life. I like the mix. But whenever I'm too long away, I want to go back to Da Nang.
Look very posh, but
I think they're closed. Maybe. The one fourth in closed.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
They removed the whole building.
So
Wow.
I think they're gonna build something there.
But do you think that he's gonna come back?
I don't know.
But they have still different locations.
Yes.
We are
They moved
relocating
somewhere, yes. They
to
moved
something
somewhere.
else. Yeah. Interesting.
But they're gonna
Last time we were there, we ate. I ate the pho there last time. My mom would love it this year with all the flowers. If you're into flowers, this is the time of the year. But I still would say, to be honest, come to Hanoi right before New Year and leave before New Year. if you're not into New Year celebrations, because you have the beautiful signs and everything, and streets and all the decoration before as well, and you don't need to be here when everything is closed. Come here when everything is normal, I would say. I would not be here, and I'm only here because family holiday here. But if I would choose, I would not be here. I would come here right before and leave when it is time. I would leave for like 1 week or whenever, how long it goes, and when everything is back to normal, I would be back. But yeah, many people like New Year celebrations or drinking and seeing fireworks. I don't. I live in Da Nang. In Da Nang we have fireworks so many times of the year, I don't even care. Like, I remember 2024, I think 24? Yeah, maybe 24, I'm not sure. I had a firework every single day on my balcony. I faced a specific direction of the city, and there was a fireworks show for 5 minutes every single day. Every single day at 9 o'clock to 9:05. So I'm enough. I have enough of fireworks. If you're into fireworks festivals, you can also have one in Pattaya. You can have 3 or 4 weeks in Da Nang in July. If you want to go there, you should definitely plan ahead and book accordingly early, because this is the only time I experienced a complete hotel. Like, all hotels were fully booked completely at one time. One time, the last fireworks festival weekend. So book early. But if you're not into these things like I am, just skip it. I wish there would be a blue sky. I wish there would be a blue sky. That would be so nice. Did you ever seen a blue sky during Tet? No? Oh. Man, that would be so nice.
You know what's funny?
Yeah.
Actually, Vietnamese like this weather.
Yeah.
So it's not sunny, so
Yeah.
they can go outside, like.
Of course.
Yeah.
But the photos would be so much nicer.
It's not too cold and it's not too warm,
Yeah.
because Tet has been always cold a little bit.
Oh.
So if it's too warm, it doesn't feel like Tet.
Yeah. I can imagine that. Yeah.
Yes.
Just like a summery Christmas.
This is considered the perfect weather.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It is perfect to walk around as well. I don't sweat. I'm very comfortable walking around long distances. But for my video, it would be nice. I like the blue sky. Imagine all those green colors and all the nice dresses, and then you have blue sky in the background.
Yeah.
Maybe I should just Photoshop it.
The blue sky usually go with the sunny.
Check this out. I think now everyone comes out. Taking the last photos. Maybe we have to go to a coffee shop around our place. That's crazy.
Mình chụp bằng điện thoại của mình ấy.
And as you can see here, it's the year of the horse. Do you want to have a photo here too? Okay. Yeah. Maybe it's good to, if you want to have photos here, go early. But I could imagine Vietnamese go make photos early morning of New Year's Day, because everyone is going to be at home and sleeping.
All the cameras working so hard right now.
Yes.
Oh, there is Starbucks there. But I thought that was going to
So it's going to be,
be forever.
yeah. It's so hard to find a coffee shop that is not packed.
Mà 40 triệu cái máy. Cái đấy là máy nó dùng máy của nó, máy vậy.
It's like for this time of the year, I would just open up a coffee shop and I would say 500,000 dong for one coffee. No laptops. And I swear there would be people. I would take it. I would take it. Oh wow. This is probably a very old building, and this very old building there's a Starbucks in there.
The post office.
A post office, yeah. Wow. I gotta say, Starbucks, whoever runs it in Vietnam, choose some very nice locations. They always have nice. There are not many Starbucks here, and I think there will not be more because it's just not the market for it. But my God, the Starbucks look nice here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.